Now, we have another breaking related to this coming in. As the Haryana Chief Minister, when he was asked about this parole, he chose to stay mum and silent on this issue. In fact, he said it's for the courts to answer. He was posed this question, but he abruptly ended the media briefing.
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है,
लेकिन 90 मेरे ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा, वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है। थैंक यू
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है,
लेकिन 90 मेरे ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा, वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है। थैंक यू।
Let's go back to Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamaljeet, he's clearly avoiding that question.
Well, that's what we noticed when he was in Patiala earlier in Mohali, and then subsequently when he did a detailed press conference today. But when it comes to uncomfortable questions, talking about the rule book itself, talking about the courts. But remember, the courts are saying it is the mandate of the jail authority. They've been saying it's being done on parity. But the question is, what really happens to those who are behind bars for heinous crimes? There is an ongoing case. Now, there are 5 cases against him, which are particular. 2 are the rape cases in which he was convicted. Then there are 2 murder cases. And 1 is the case of multiple reports of castration, where at least 1 person has fled abroad in United States. That is an ongoing cases. There have been petitions being put in the court where they have alleged that there have been pressure which has been created by Gurmeet Ram Rahim. Now, him staying out itself, 1 gives a messaging that he's way too powerful. Second is the sort of pressure that has been created by himself and by the disciples. So these are the allegations which really need to have a closer look. And obviously, this is a question mark also to the judiciary, also to the government. There are whose onus and responsibility really it is.
Right.
Is it just the rule book, or is it really the justice which matters on ground? Now, that is why it is very important and very concerning that such long rope should not be given to all those who are behind bars for heinous crimes.
Absolutely. Kamaljeet, do stay on with us as we once again try and make our viewers listen to what exactly the Chief Minister said when the question was posed to him.
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है, लेकिन 90
मेरे ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा, वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है। थैंक यू
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है, लेकिन 90
मेरे ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा, वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है। थैंक यू।
So, Kamal, when we listen to this question that is directed at him, it is very pointed. And, you know, there is actually, we can hear a little bit of a mirth coming from the people sitting around him. They're laughing at the question. It seems that the CM is not really taking the question seriously while evading it.
Well, Naib Singh Saini can once say that this happened way before he took over, especially as the chair of the chief ministership. But clearly, the onus and responsibility does lie. One, it looks like a connivance, and many, including the lawyers who've been telling us, the deliberate change was to facilitate prisoners like him. Because remember, every time there's a crucial election, there's a crucial sort of even a bipole on. This is where, when elections are in Punjab, Haryana, where his millions of devotees really are, that's the time he gets that sort of a leeway. That itself puts a question mark. Now, whether they can actually prove that whether there's a connivance, because remember, the politicians say it's the courts say it is the jail authority says it's the deputy commissioner who's responsible. But this has gone on time and again, and the hue and cry is simply not enough, because remember, this cycle only continues every single year, every time he steps out. And not only is he going back to his dera, he's addressing his followers. So all that is obviously a big problematic, because remember, it's the messaging. Whether law prevails, justice prevails, and this is where, when you give a long rope, especially not just to him, but there are many others like him who are allegedly prevailing these sort of facility. The question mark is that if they're out for 3 months in a year, what really happens? Because this is almost like even getting more holidays than perhaps even the school children get in a year. So all that is very, very significant. And remember, the onus and responsibility lie with all. This is obviously where the four institutions really come in. But we have been constantly asking
Right.
this question as to what really happens and why is this long rope extended, and perhaps can heinous crime, this not be amended to actually have heinous crimes and those who are perpetrating it be put in behind bars much longer, rather than giving that sort of a bail parole or a furlough for that long. So it's, as I said, 70 days of parole and 21 days of furlough.
Right. Kamalji, do stay on with us as we once again dip into what exactly the Chief Minister said when he was asked about the parole given to Ram Rahim.
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है,
थैंक
लेकिन
यू
90
मेरे
दिन
ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है थैंक यू
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है,
थैंक
लेकिन
यू
90
मेरे
दिन
ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है थैंक यू
सर, राम रहीम को लेके बहुत बड़ा बवाल है, आपने लगातार बोला है,
थैंक
लेकिन
यू
90
मेरे
दिन
ख्याल सवाल नहीं रहा वो माननीय कोर्ट का काम है थैंक यू